kosi ni dwada de na chese asante Mampong a eho asem na ofa social media no so a wo bete esanse da se biro so ebonso to so mienu anya ne ba bi ko no eno saa na yi na fuanan ya asem yensen no opemso ayi a wode eye ne doti yie abuso edika de eho video na se honom ne ekoso honom adika ba so na si am no kasa die wona eframa no ne aba bedru eye asante mamu ebe kana na hema ho na omape eye ne de hye ne krabre na abuso si am no kasa die eye ahemfu bi ene ahema bi a omo Swaziland atimi aba bedru eye asante Mampong ni nyina ne se omo beka eye asante MampongHemaa ho na omo aye da se bro se bonzo to sumienu nya ne ba bi ko edoti ye na abusua omo ba na amane bono ene bema yate ensam ni nyina ase ne omo beka ye eka ho ne de mitimi ka emowram ye ntie efi omo ankasa anum
Greetings.
So, as our tradition demands, you are already a Daniel, so we say Akwaba. So your mission.
Our mission, greetings to you, Nanaima. Our mission is to come and visit and see you. We have also lost a father. MampongHemaa was the father of the orphans. So all of us found a father in him, and we are saddened. We were sent by their majesties in the kingdom of Eswatini to come and be with you and share in your pain. With me, Obahema Boahwenye from Ejra, and with me is His Highness, who is a brother to His Majesty King Mswati, Prince Pushapi. To the left is Granny, we call her Granny. It's Nanabusi Damini, who is married into the royal family. And on the extreme left is our daughter, who is also our protocol. She works in the King's office, and she is part of the delegation to make sure that we are all safe and happy. Thank you, Merase. Thank you.
So you're very welcome. And as we all know already, MampongHemaa is like a father to you. And for us, Eswatini is like another second home to Mampong as well. And we always say we have another family somewhere else. So it's not only our loss, it's your loss as well. So when it happened, the first thing I was asking Berima if he's really informed you officially. He said he's done that already. So I'm really happy you came to mourn, at least to pay your last respect to your father. And I know wherever he is, you'll be very happy seeing you around. If you believe in life after death, then definitely he's going to be really happy. Especially you.
Yes.
You know, he adores you so much.
I know, and he always used to ask about my children, the twins. You know, so it is a loss to the nation. My sister Queen Nomsa is also very broken about it, but sadly culture does not allow her to attend, which is why I'm here wearing the hat as my sister, but also the hat as MampongHemaa for Ejura. So thank you very much for welcoming us. We truly appreciate it. We will be here up until the last day. That is our mission. That is our mission. Thank you.
bagangwane basithumelele okokubo ingani nasikhona nje tinhlitiyo titututeke kube phela ngoba nebuhlobo ukuthi sesithi hlobo thine nabo ngiko ke eMaswati ikakhulu ingwenyama nagogo ukuthi sitobe khuda siteleloko nje.
Nana, what the prince is saying is we are family now, and it is for that reason that their majesties, His Majesty King Mswati, as well as the Queen Mother of the nation, have seen it fit for us to come and be with you in attendance. That is why we are here. I am translating what he has said. Thank you.
So also let it know we are really grateful that you came all the way to your extended family. We're really grateful they came.
MampongHemaa has prepared a good place for you, so I will ask permission from her so that I can send you to where you stay.
Oh, you want to relax a little bit? What do you want to do?
We can send them back. We get them.
Daddy, come and stand here. Ready?
No, before.
Sister, you can stand here so that gender balance.
I'm coming.
You have to dress my ankle well.
I love the dressing.
It's so nice.
Come here, do you want to?
My sister and properly professor.
Oh, okay.
Oh, my name is Take home.
Oh,
I don't want to go home.
I told him.
That's a minute about
His Majesty is also coming on Monday, so he will see you. We'll introduce you to.
I told him yesterday.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Our president is coming. 2 former presidents are coming. Monday will be
Wow, be full.
Yeah.
What's my car?
Obia swap it.
On the handle with beer. Handle with beer.
Chairman of the Chronicle.
Yes,
Master, if I won't hear you. I will go very well.
Mina manje. Mina manje.
Una iye.
That's what I did.
na chese sia no de free na fie di kosi ne juada de abusua da se bro se bonso to so mienu asante MampongHemaa no ane doti ye ne hyehye ne doti ye na ena egusu a ekoi enti no se unhu se de esi eye ohimpo bi doti ye da obetimi ade wani akopie mu odi anse obefa ho kama sansa himpon ene ye na ye na abusua wei ene ensam a chese eye ahemfui efiri Swaziland eba be pie mu asante mampon no ekomotwetwe anase omonantese no eno mo de to na nahemma ni ma wuti bie na me nsoso miti bie no drop you decent comment comment section wa share wa like ama foforo nsoso enya bi ahwe. So Europe and America was send this Ghana Ghana they send with money transfer no and American for a day amount. Send network ben no use wait me a day send it. So we send a day a good mobile money wallet and as a bank account so a day many per chrono wait me a day send it. Now I was any just say first transaction no ubenya $20 free. The answer be using a promo code JSXM2 and the screen so offer or first transaction ubenya $20 free. Meeting the Atre Bruni. Yalan Media Ghana.